Kular nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
So just somebody can just help me translate. So now I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band now. So I will be giving them 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. But since you're part of I'm part of the band now. So this is my band. So I'm giving 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Okay? Good. So I need the name of the band. So just Alex.
Umentri rangba kajala ukonrad ke sangma henne kasni kakandai terik uyayong arhaja apusan ulalet banjungo ia ka Shining Syntung kabadan hamaukan raw block ha East Khasi Hills banyakendu ia kipat ba nong shong shnong ha kane kasni lawan bantem banput daka Kynhun tem na kitrai shnong ka Syntung bad umentri rangba kajala ulaya shembenta lem bad kane ka Kynhun kala tem harut kawa rashi ha Syntung Omtang kata umentri rangba kajala ukonrat ke sangma ula Kular ru banno senyang sanlak tingka sya kane ka Kynhun tem bantiet ya kitiar tem tiar put ula kentu ya kipat ba ki bait mariang bat ki bajulet jengok kai perthai bakin wan ban sakhi ya ka jingkhot ka bat ka jing itanat jong ka jaka
So I'm here in Syntung village and in this beautiful waterfall called the Warishi waterfall, and if you can see the water behind me, crystal clear, a very beautiful spot, and I would urge all our tourists to definitely visit this place whenever they come to our state of Meghalaya.